Hey guys, what's up? Today is day 15 of Leetcode Challenge, and I hope you are doing well throughout the challenge. It's middle of the week, and we have a very simple question today. It's product of array except self. So, given an array of integers, we need to return the corresponding product of the whole array without the number itself. So, for 1, we are returning 24, which means the product of 2, 3, and 4. And for second position, we are returning product of 1 and 3 and 4. Right? So, it's a fairly simple question. You just need to maintain a prefix and a suffix, and you need to build that cumulatively. So, you build sort of a two arrays, which is for a given element, say index number 1, you maintain what is the product of the previous 10 elements, and also you build what is the product of the suffix, which means from 2 to end of the array, right? So let's see this in code because it's very simple solution, and we are doing it since we cannot use division method, and we have to do it in order n, right? So let's define a prefix array and initialize to 1, and let's define the length of the given numbers to n. Let's define a suffix array equals to 1. So whenever we are doing this cumulative sum or cumulative product, so we should initialize accordingly. So for products, we initialize the prefix and suffix arrays by 1. For summation, we will initialize by 0, right? Now let's just build these arrays. So here prefix denotes sum till, product till denotes product till ith index, excluding the ith index number, and suffix denotes product from ith index, excluding the ith index number, right? So if we have those arrays, the final answer can be prefix of I into suffix of I, right? Okay, this is what we are doing. Right. So since for 0th index there's no previous elements before that, so we have to run this from 1 to n for prefix, and we build prefix of I equals to prefix of I minus 1 into nums of I, right? Because we have already calculated prefix of I minus 1, and we multiply by the nums of I minus 1, which is the last element. So we get the prefix of I. So correspondingly, we build suffix array. Now I have left the range because I wanted to discuss that. Now suffix of I will give you suffix of I plus 1 into nums of I plus 1, right? So what should be the range here actually? And we want to run this in reverse order, right? So we want to build this in reverse order. Great. So what we'll do is, so our starting index cannot be n minus 1 because there's no number after that. So the starting index has to be n minus 2, right? So we run from 0 to n minus 1, but in reverse order. So it needs to be reversed like this. Okay. Now to return the answer, all we have to do is prefix I into suffix I, right? So what I'll do is I'll return a list, right, and map where I'll zip the prefix and suffix, and I'll just do lambda function on it and x of 0 into x of 1, right, and we return this list as our answer, right? Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's try to submit this code. Great, accepted. So I think this is a very fairly simple problem, and uh, yeah, let me know how do you like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more daily videos like this, and keep rocking. Bye bye.